Did you know that your body might be trying to tell you something important while you're asleep? For many people, the signs of diabetes can quietly surface during the night, often going unnoticed. Whether it's restless sleep, unusual thirst, or frequent trips to the bathroom, these nighttime symptoms may be more than just minor annoyances. They could be early warnings of diabetes. In this video, we'll explore key nighttime signs of diabetes that everyone should be aware of, helping you stay informed and proactive about your health. Make sure you watch till the end and don't forget to like and share this video to save life. If you would love to watch more videos like this, consider subscribing and turn on your notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video. 1. Frequent nighttime urination. Nocturia. High blood sugar levels can cause your kidneys to work overtime to filter out excess glucose, leading to more frequent urination during the night. 2. Excessive thirst during the night. As your body loses more fluid through urination, dehydration can set in, making you wake up thirsty and needing to drink water. 3. Unexplained weight loss. When the body can't properly use glucose for energy, it starts breaking down muscle and fat, leading to unintentional weight loss, which can be more noticeable during nighttime when hunger may strike. 4. Increased hunger during the night. When glucose isn't properly absorbed, the body sends signals of hunger even after a meal, which may cause late-night cravings. 5. Dry mouth. High blood sugar levels can reduce saliva production, leading to a persistent dry mouth, especially during the night. 6. Restless or poor sleep. Constantly waking up to urinate or experiencing discomfort from other symptoms can cause disturbed and poor quality sleep. 7. Night sweats. Low blood sugar, hypoglycemia, can trigger the body to release adrenaline, causing night sweats as the body reacts to try and raise blood sugar levels. 8. Tingling or numbness in hands and feet. Poor circulation and nerve damage. Diabetic neuropathy, due to prolonged high blood sugar, can cause tingling or numbness, which is often more noticeable at night. 9. Fatigue upon waking. Despite sleeping, the body may not be getting the rest it needs due to disrupted sleep or poor blood sugar control, leading to morning fatigue. 10. Blurred vision during the night. High blood sugar can cause the lenses in the eyes to swell, affecting your ability to focus and potentially leading to blurred vision, especially noticeable in dim lighting. 11. Headaches upon waking. Poor blood sugar control during the night can lead to hypoglycemia or hyperglycemia, both of which can cause headaches in the morning. 12. Difficulty staying asleep. Blood sugar fluctuations, frequent urination, or physical discomfort can make it hard to stay asleep for long periods, leading to frequent awakenings. 13. Elevated blood sugar levels during nighttime checks. If you monitor your blood sugar, you may notice consistently higher levels during the night due to the body's difficulty in processing glucose properly. 14. Bedwetting. In children or adults, in severe cases, the urge to urinate may not always wake someone up, leading to involuntary urination during sleep. 15. Unusual or vivid dreams. Low blood sugar during the night can sometimes trigger vivid or unusual dreams as the brain reacts to the drop in glucose levels. Recognizing the signs of diabetes, especially those that appear at night, can be a vital step in managing your health. If you or someone you know is experiencing any of these symptoms, it's important to seek medical advice as soon as possible. Early detection and proper management can significantly reduce the risk of complications associated with diabetes. By staying aware and proactive, you can take control of your health and ensure a better quality of life, both day and night.